Number 1, we said that it was a problem. Mhm.
Problem.
From the pictures that you have above, do you see something that it's broken down from the pictures above? In this case, do you see something that is broken down? A, B, C, D, E. In letter A
E.
and letter E.
A.
It doesn't mean that exactly it broke. Also, when it's not working, as in picture A, in picture A, the truck is broken, okay? It stopped working. That is something that it's broken. Not specifically that it's broken or physically broken. When it stops working and it doesn't work, that is broken down, okay? And let's do number 2. Who can read number 2?
Yo, Paula.
Paola, please. Number 2.
It needs recharging.
Recharging. G.
Recharging.
That is problem or solution.
Solution.
Good. And that is picture letter
E.
C. Correct. Okay. Who can read number 3?
Yo, Giselle.
Giselle.
It's out of order.
What is that? Problem or solution? Good.
Problem.
Picture.
Hoy no lo recuerdo.
In your book. Can you look at your book? Out of order.
No. B.
B.
Good. Out of service or out of order. That is not functioning. Okay. Number 4. Who can read number 4? Who has number 4? Please.
It needs fixing. Is a solution?
Repair or fix, they are similar. And number 5, who has number 5?
Miguel.
Miguel.
There is no reception for my phone. Is problem.
It's a problem. Good. Number 6. Any volunteers?
Yo, Francisco.
Okay, Francisco.
Three twisting it up is solution.
Solution. Yes, that always works. Apágalo y vuélvelo a prender, right? So try to switch it off and on again. It always works. Number 7. Any volunteers?
Yo, lady.
Please.
It keeps making this strange noise. Problem?
Yes. Do you understand strange noise? Do you understand noise? Yes? Okay. And number 8.
Me, teacher Emmanuel.
Please, Emmanuel.
It crashed, froze. It's problem.
It's a problem. Can you give me an example? Something that crashed. It froze. From the pictures, where do you see that problem? Froze or crashed.
Letter C. A.
Letter E.
A, B, C, D. In letter D, now it froze, right? Algo que se congeló y que ya se saturó. Okay. For example, your cell phone, it crashed or froze. Good?
Yes.
Okay. Number 9, any volunteers?
Yo, teacher.
Okay.
It doesn't work. Problem?
It's a problem. Good. Continue with number 10. Andrea?
We have to sort it out. Is solution?
Solution, yes. And do you understand that expression? Sort it out. Try to solve the problem. To find a solution. Find a solution. Solve. That is to sort it out, okay? And 11, another person, please.
Yo, Giselle.
She said,
Save it onto a memory
Mhm.
stick.
okay. And that
Solution.
is solution. And finally, number 12,
Yo digo,
Diego.
should a print it for you is solution.
Solution. Okay. So that is the vocabulary that we are going to learn today. How to try to offer your help, to ask for help when you have a technological problem, and how to offer a solution. All right? Did you take notes? Did you check and correct? Yes? Okay, let's continue. Now you are going to listen to different conversations and think about what's the problem on each case. Listen and tell me what is the problem on each case.
Unit 5, recording S5.5. Conversation 1.
Oh no.
What's the matter?
Oh, this ATM's not working. Do you know if there's another machine somewhere? I really need to get some money.
I'm not sure. There might be one in the shopping mall.
Thanks.
What is the problem in number 1? Do you want to listen again? Yes.
Conversation 1.
Oh no.
What's the matter?
Oh, this ATM's not working. Do you know if there's another machine somewhere? I really need to get some money.
I'm not sure. There might be one in the shopping mall.
Thanks.
Conversation 2.
Sorry. What's the matter in number 1?
The ATM doesn't work. Working.
Very good. The ATM is not working.
Ow!
What's the matter?
My laptop just crashed again. That's the 3rd time it's happened. Would you mind looking at it for me?
Sure.
Thanks. It's so annoying. I keep losing my documents. Do you know what the problem is?
Let me have a look. There's a lot of stuff on here. Why don't you save the documents onto a memory stick?
That's a good idea.
And then do you want me to try...
What is the second situation, the second problem?
Your laptop crashed.
Your laptop crash.
Yes.
Not to crash it again.
It is
Okay.
always related to a system. When a system crashed, it's because it stops working, it freezes. That is to crash.
Conversation 3.
Customer service, good morning.
Yes, I have a problem with my vacuum cleaner.
Could you tell me what the problem is, sir?
Yes, I can. It keeps making a funny noise, and it's just not working properly.
You say it keeps making a funny noise.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, let's see if I can find someone who can help you. Could you hold, please?
Yes, of course.
What is the problem for not?
Problem with your vacuum cleaner?
This vacuum cleaner is noise.
We need a verb. The verb is makes. Makes a funny noise, right?
Makes.
Conversation 4.
I don't believe it. Excuse me, this machine isn't working. It just took my money. Could you give me a refund?
I'm afraid I can't do that.
What?
Did you listen to the accent? That is very South accent. What is the problem?
Machine isn't working.
Okay, good. That machine is not working. Now, you're going to listen again and answer these questions. Let's read in conversation number 1. Please, Denise, can you read conversation number 1?
In conversation, what What question does the man ask?
That is, you need to write the question that the man asked. Continue, number 2.
Number 2. Where does the woman suggest that he go?
Where is the place? She makes a suggestion. What is the place where she suggests? Now for conversation number 2. Continue, please, Denise.
In conversation 2, what does the woman keep losing?
Okay, what does she keep losing? In number 4, please, Francisco.
What does the man suggest?
What does he suggest? Now for conversation number 3, Luis Diego.
In conversation 3, what does the vacuum cleaner keep
Making. We're reading the questions so they are clear for you. If you don't understand the question, let me know, please. Okay? Rocio, number 6, please.
Does the woman give the main instructions about what to do to fix his vacuum cleaner?
Does she give the instructions? Yes or no? You tell me. Emmanuel, number 7.
In conversation 4, what is the man for?
What does he ask for? And number 8, please, Ramon.
Sorry, teacher. What?
Can you read number 8?
Yes. Whom does the man need to speak to?
Okay, so you need to write the person, whom, okay? Listen again and answer these questions, please.
Conversation 1.
Oh no.
What's the matter?
Oh, this ATM's not working. Do you know if there's another machine somewhere? I really...
That is the question. You want to listen again?
Do you know?
Oh no.
What's the matter?
Oh, this ATM's not working. Do you know if there's another machine somewhere?
Write it down.
Do
Don't
you
tell
know
me,
another
don't
machine?
tell me, don't tell me. Write it down. Write the question down. Number 2.
I really need to get some money.
I'm not sure. There might be one in the shopping mall.
Thanks.
And write number 2. Where does she suggest? What place? Where? Write it on your notebook and then we check your answers. Write it on your notebook. Where does the woman suggest that he go? Ready? Conversation number 2.
Conversation 2.
Ow! What's the matter?
My laptop just crashed again. That's the 3rd time it's happened. Would you mind looking at it for me?
Sure.
Thanks. It's so annoying. I keep losing my documents.
What does she keep losing? Write it, please.
Do you know what the problem is?
Let me have a look. There's a lot of stuff on here. Why don't you save the documents onto a memory stick?
That's the suggestion. You want to listen again?
What the problem is?
Let me have a look. There's a lot of stuff on here. Why don't you save the documents onto a memory stick?
That is the suggestion. Ready? Yes? Okay. Number 5. No, conversation number 3.
That's a good idea.
And then do you want me to try...
Conversation 3.
Customer service, good morning.
Yes, I have a problem with my vacuum cleaner.
Could you tell me what the problem is, sir?
Yes, I can. It keeps making a funny noise, and it's just not working properly.
You say it keeps making a funny noise.
What does it keep making? It keeps making a. Write your answer.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, let's see if I can find someone who can help you. Could you hold, please?
Yes, of course.
Conversation 4.
Oh, I don't believe it. Excuse me, this machine isn't working. It just took my money. Could you give me a refund?
I'm afraid I can't do that.
Why not?
Well, I'm not allowed to give refunds.
What does she ask for? He wants something. You want to listen again?
And
I'm afraid I can't do that.
this machine isn't working. It just took my money. Could you give me a refund?
I'm afraid I can't do that.
Why not?
Well, I'm not allowed to give refunds.
To give what? What does he ask for? An 8.
But I've just lost my money, and I still need a ticket.
I can sell you a ticket, but I can't give you a refund.
Well, could you tell me whom I should speak to?
Yes, of course. You need to speak to the manager.
Okay. Would you mind calling him for me?
Of course not. I'll just call him.
Whom does the man need to speak to? Write it down, and here you have the answer. Check your answers. How many correct? All correct?
Six.
6 of 8, very good. And the rest of you, were you correct? There you go. Okay, here we present some examples of problems and solutions. That's the vocabulary that we are going to check today. And here it says, complete the extracts in the table with the correct words. Those are the different phrases that we can use when you have a problem and you need some help, okay? So help me to complete these phrases from the text. Could you, the line please? Do you remember that? You need a verb. Could you, you're calling to customer service. No idea? What about number 2? Could you me a refund? Could you, what is the verb? Could you?
Could you give me a refund?
Yes, give me. Okay. Number 3. Whom should I? Could you tell me whom should I? This is conversation number 4. Number 5. Could you tell me what the No? Okay, you are going to listen and try to complete, please.
Unit 5. Recording S5.6.
Could you hold the line, please?
Number 1.
Hold.
Could you? That is the verb. This verb, it's hold, sostener. But in this case, it is could you wait on the line. You don't wait, you're going to listen to this verb that is more common than wait, hold. Hold on, please. Hold on the line, okay?
Could you give me a refund?
That is number 2, the verb give me.
Could you tell me whom I should speak to?
Whom
Speak to.
I should speak to. Mhm.
It's to.
That is when you have a problem and that person is not helping you.
Could you tell me what the problem is?
Problem.
Yes, what the problem is. Next.
Do you know what the problem is? Do you know if there's another machine somewhere?
Machine.
Machine somewhere.
Yes, very good.
Machine.
Would you mind looking at it for me?
Looking.
Looking.
Very good. Looking at it for me. And finally,
Would you mind calling him for me?
Calling.
Call him for me. Calling.
calling him for me. Very good. Now, I want you to observe the structure. If you have could or do you know, the verb is infinitive. Could you hold? Could you give me? The verb is infinitive. Here. Verb and infinitive. With could you tell me? And again, whom should I speak? That is infinitive. What the problem is, infinitive. Now, when you have the verb in the question in present, do you know? Again, the verb is infinitive. What the problem is, if there is another machine. But if you have this modal verb, would you mind? You have ing. Okay? Just pay attention to that. Would you mind looking at it? Would you mind calling him? Would you mind giving me his or their phone number? You have ing. Any question about this vocabulary? No?
No.
Okay. So with those phrases here, we're going to complete this really quick. Read the conversations and complete with the phrases from the box, okay? So let's do it together. Number 1, please lady, help me with number 1. Can you read it?
Wait, teacher, es que no alcanzo a ver.
Oh, sorry. You just need to read number 1. Do you know if there is? Here, number 1.
Yeah. Do you know if there's another ATM somewhere? I really need to get some money.
And you say, any, yes, I can, I'm not sure, sure, okay. What would you say?
I'm not
Yes.
sure. Try the shopping mall.
I'm not sure. Okay. Thank you so much. Please, Denise, number 2.
Would you mind looking at, no. Could you mind looking at it for me? Yes, of course.
Yes, of course. Okay. Thanks. Please, Paola, number 3.
Do you know what the problem is? ¿Qué sería?
Should mark them here. This is yes already.
Sure. Of course not.
Aquí ya nada, tenemos uno. No, por supuesto que no puedo.
Let me have a look.
Yes, I can.
Yes. So you can say, let me have a look, because you don't know. Do you know the problem? Let me have a look. Let me check. Let me see. Let me have a look. Okay. So that is,
Giselle,
okay. Please.
could you tell me what the problem is here? Yes, of course. It kept making a funny noise.
Yes, yes, of course. Very good. Number 5, any volunteer? No? Andrea, can you help me? Number 5.
Could you hold the line, please? Yes, I can.
Yes, could you? Okay. Pero si dice could you?
Sure.
Sure. Okay.
Sure.
Yes. Sure. Okay. That is what you answered. Very affirmative. Sure. Okay. You can say sure or okay. Francisco, number 6, please.
Could you guys me a phone? Yes, of course. Do that.
We have used 2 lines. Yes, of course.
I'm afraid I can't.
Yes, I can.
That is, I'm afraid I can't do that. Sorry. I'm afraid I can't do that. I'm sorry, I can't. Well, could you tell me who should I speak to? What is that?
Yes, I can.
Now, yes, I can. I'm gonna write it here. Yes, I can. And just the last one, please, Giselle.
Okay. Would you mean him for me?
Would you mind? ¿Te importaría?
No, of course not.
Of course not. No, I don't mind. No, no me molesta. Of course not. Of course not. Okay, so that is vocabulary when you have a problem, solutions, and answers. And that is for lesson 3. So tomorrow we keep practicing lesson 3 and we check lesson 4. And on Wednesday we have the review and your test, okay, for unit 5. On Thursday and Friday, I'm going to have an interview with you for your oral test. Yo les voy a hacer preguntas de la unidad, me contestan, evalúo y les doy su calificación final. ¿De acuerdo? ¿Dudas? ¿No? ¿Cuál es su proyecto? Recuerden que el jueves, el miércoles, no recuerdo qué día, les dejé su proyecto que tienen que hacer un ensayo. No lo he asignado en Google Classroom, pero eso es para el miércoles. ¿De acuerdo? Entonces se los asigno en Google Classroom. Creo que ya lo habían visto. Vimos vocabulario. Aquí. Cuando checamos esto, aquí esta parte, you are going to write an essay with this vocabulary. ¿Se acuerdan?
Yes.
Okay. Entonces lo asigno en Classroom y eso me lo entregan el miércoles, por favor. All of these. Good. So I'll see you then. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Have a nice week. Bye.
You.
Thank you.